Hey, girl. Ooh, yeah. Hey, guys. It's Emma. This is my very first vlog. Yeah, we're going to Camino Bakery. It's gonna be great fun. Yes, ma'am. It is.
Then we'll have
yes. Yes. Hey, girl. You're in my vlog. Ooh. So, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna go to Camino Bakery, and then after that we're gonna go thrifting, and we're gonna have a good time.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber now. We're gonna watch me vlogging. Slick, man. It's not even slick. You aren't even slick. You are not even slick.
I should take a picture of you like sipping it.
Hadley and I just had a great time, you know, just enjoying each other and drinking some coffee. It was really good. Oh, I don't want, okay. Yeah, gang. Okay, yeah, but anyways, the coffee was great. How was your hot chocolate?
It's really good. I enjoyed it so much.
It actually, no, that place was good. It was pretty chill. It was just really busy.
Yeah.
But yeah, now we're gonna go thrifting.
On Instagram.
No, you
Musically.
don't you don't deserve this kind of promotion. Us, and then we're gonna and then we're gonna go to Panera and eat dinner because Panera's lit. Bye. So, according to Marla Catherine's vlogs, we start in the jeans section. So that's what we're doing today, because we stan Marla. We are a Marla Catherine stan. So, I would have vlogged more of our thrifting experience, but they were closing in like 10 minutes. So we had to, like, you know, skirt on out of there. But we did well. I wanted that Vans shirt, but you know, it's fine. Yeah. We out here in Publix. Yeah, we saw Jonas Bridges. It was lit, you know?
It's literally the exact version of those burgers.
Since we're the epitome of health, we're looking at juices. It goes.
There's someone coming.